Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. So children, what we have learned previously, today we will learn about the second chapter of class 4, that is the Northern Mountains, and this is the one of the physical division of India. And what we have learned previously about the Himalaya range, there are how many ranges? There are 3 ranges in Himalaya, that is the Himadri, the Himachal and the Shivalik. And the second, what we have learned about? We have learned about the Karakoram range. The Karakoram range to the northwest that lies beyond the river Indus, that is the Karakoram range. And what is the life in that region? कैसी लाइफ थी पीपल की वहाँ पर? पीपल इंगेज इन फार्मिंग बिकॉज दिस इज द see these in page number 16, these are the Karakoram ranges, and here this is up to the northwest and beyond the river in this, and here some states like the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and what is about Sikkim, Uttarakhand are lies in that region. Which region is the Karakoram ranges, and they mostly the people they do farming. They what their occupation? Farming is the main occupation that people that living in that region, and there are lake due to the lack of the plain area. The farmers cut the slopes. They cut the slopes and do terrace farming. And which type of crops they grow? They generally grow the maize, rice, barley. These crops are grown in that region. And what is the occupation? Farming. And except for farming, the people in that region do sheep rearing. They domesticated sheep for wool and for milk. And some people do wood carving, means woodwork. They made the products that made by the woods. And the first state is the Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir that lies in Karakoram range and in the Himalaya range. So what is the speciality of Jammu Kashmir? So Jammu Kashmir, what we have learned about the Jammu Kashmir? The Jammu Kashmir is special for, is the most famous for the saffron cultivation and the apple orchard. And the women, the man and women wear a long woolen cloth that is called the farran. Men and women wear a long kurta, a long woolen kurta that is called farran and salwar. And what they drink, a special type of tea that drink by the people of Jammu Kashmir, that is called the kahwa. And they use during the winter time, they use the kangri. Kangri means a small earthen pot in which a burning coal was there, and they use this kangri to keep oneself warm. खुद को गर्म करने के लिए किसका यूज करते थे? A small basket, a small earthen pot in which a burning coal was there, and they use for keep oneself warm. And what is the hill station? Well, a tourist place of Jammu Kashmir, that is the Srinagar, Amarnath and Gulmarg. Now the second state, what we learn about the Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh, we have learned that Himachal Pradesh is famous for apple orchard, and the people of Himachal Pradesh and the men of Himachal Pradesh wear a embroidered work cap that is called the Kulu cap, and the women wear a scarf that is called the Dazoon. And which is the most popular festival of the Himachal Pradesh? That is the Kulu festival. That is the Kulu festival. Now the next one is the Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is famous for basmati rice, lychees and for plums. Uttarakhand is famous for basmati rice, lychees and for plums. And what is the specialty of the Uttarakhand? You understand, this is famous for lychees, basmati rice, but what is the main tourist attraction of that place? That is the which type of place that is popular in the Uttarakhand? See children, this is the Mussoorie, Nainital, Haridwar attract a large number of tourists. In which state? That is the Uttarakhand. And some people engage in weaving shawls and weaving scarves and rugs. Now, what we have learned previously, we have also learned about the Sikkim, and Sikkim is famous for oranges. And Sikkim किसलिए famous है? It is famous for oranges, cardamom and orchids. Orchids means a type of a flower. And the women and men wear a loose kurta that is called the, what is called? Baku. That is, see, this is the Baku. A Sikkimese girl dressed in the Baku. Now we learn about the Purvachal hill ranges. What we learn about the Purvachal hill ranges? So children, in the northeast, in some parts of the northeast, here are this northeast part is called the Purvachal. This is called the Purvachal hill ranges, and is also called the northeastern hills. It is also called the northeastern hills. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? और northeastern hills. Now, where it lies? It lies in the northeast. So it lies in the northeast. That is called the Purvachal hill ranges, and is also called the northeastern hills. The mountains, the hills in that region are not so very high. जो hills रहते हैं वो बहुत ऊंचे नहीं होते. So there are thick forests that are found in the slopes of the mountain. What are found? The thick forest, घने जंगल पाए जाते हैं. कहाँ पर? पूर्वांचल हिल में. So the thick forests that are found in that region, and the hills are not so very high. जो hills रहती है वो high नहीं रहती है. And some states that are in the Purvachal hills, that are जो eastern part of अरुणाचल प्रदेश. इसमें क्या आ जाएगा? ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश. एंड देन व्हाट? सेकेंड थिंग, नागालैंड. Yes, the third one is Manipur, Mizoram, and the last one is the Meghalaya. So, what state that lies in the Purvachal hill ranges? That is the eastern part of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, and the Tripura. These are all in the northeast part. So that is why that is called the northeastern hills or the Purvachal hill ranges. Here are some states that are in the Purvachal hill range. That is the eastern part of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, and the Tripura. And life in this region. So what are the life of the people in that region? Because the hills are not very high, so mainly thick forests are found. So except from farming, the main occupation of the people that living here, the farming, weaving means बुनाई करना, okay, and some can do, they grow the crops, like in farming what the people grow crops, कैसी crops उगाते थे, for example rice, maize, potato, ginger, so people grow this type of crops and they also grow the fruits also, okay, and mainly which type of fruits, like pineapple, bananas, okay, and oranges. So people engage in agriculture. So first is their occupation is the farming, and they grow crops like maize, wheat, and the potatoes, ginger, vegetables also, and they grow the fruits also like oranges, pineapple, and the bananas. So first we can understand about the Arunachal Pradesh. First is the Arunachal Pradesh. What do you understand by the Arunachal Pradesh? First, it is famous for what? Arunachal Pradesh is famous for fruit orchards and orchids. Orchids means a type of a flower. So it is famous for fruit orchards and orchids. And some people do wood carving. Some people do wood carving and weaving. बुनाई करते थे, and they make the bamboo and cane products. So and the tourist attraction place of that region is the Zairo, Itanagar and Tawang. So what do you understand by the Arunachal Pradesh? This is the one of the part of the Purvachal hill ranges, and what is it's famous for? It's famous for what? Fruit orchards and orchids. The second one, what? Mostly people do wood carving and weaving. बहुत सारे जो people थे वो क्या करते थे? Wood carving means the woodwork. Weaving means बुनाई. They carpet weaving, गलीचे बनाते थे, and they also do the products that made by bamboo and cane. They make the bamboo and cane products, and the main tourist attraction place is the Zairo, Itanagar and Tawang. Now our next topic is the Nagaland. Yes, in Nagaland. What? Apart from farming, weaving, apart from farming and weaving, इसके अलावा people do wood carving and pottery. So what is the main occupation of people that living in this Nagaland? See, apart from farming and weaving, farming और weaving के अलावा people can do wood carving and pottery. Wood carving means they make their woodwork. Okay, so the woodwork that was done by the people, and they make the pots also. Different types of pots the people of the Nagaland make. So what is their occupation? their occupation is the farming, weaving, wood carving and pottery. Now second one is here in page number 19. Here this is the basket that made from the bamboo. This is the traditional handicraft of the northeastern state. This is the traditional handicraft. And see children, in page number 19, the Twang in Arunachal Pradesh. Here this is the Twang and it is in the famous tourist place in Arunachal Pradesh. It has largest monastery in India. Monastery सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ है? Where the both monks that live in the monastery, where Twang. Twang, it has the largest monastery in India. Now what we have learned about the Nagaland. So what occupation apart from farming and weaving, people engage in wood carving and pottery. The second one is the Nagas wear shawls of different design. Nagas wear shawls of different designs. Nagas means a tribe that living in Nagaland. जो नागालैंड में रहते हैं वो क्या होते हैं जनरली? दैट इज द नागास that wear the shawls of different design, that is called yes, the Nagas wear the different designs of shawls. And the Naga, we can tell a tribe Naga belonging from the design of his or her shawl. We can tell the tribe Naga belonging to the design of his or her shawl. So the main tourist attraction of that area is the Kohima and the Dimapur. What is the Kohima and the Dimapur? Is the main tourist attraction place of this state. Now what is the specialty of the Nagaland? So Nagaland, their people occupation is apart from farming and weaving, people can also do the wood carving and pottery. They are making the different types of products. And the Naga wear the shawls of different designs. And the third one is, we can tell a tribe Naga belonging to his or her designs. And the main tourist attraction place of Nagaland is the Kohima and the Dimapur. These are the main tourist attraction place of Nagaland. So we can move towards the next topic, that is the Manipur. What is Manipur? In Manipur, a variety of fruit like lychees, chestnut, walnut, papaya are grown in Manipur. And the second one is the children, what is famous in Manipur? The lychees, chestnut, walnut and the papaya that are famous. Manipur is famous for the fruit cultivation and the famous is the lychees, chestnut, walnut and the papaya. And people make the products that is made by the bamboo and cane and the leather. Means they use bamboo, cane and leather for making different things. And third is Manipuri dance is most famous. The people of the Manipur, they dance Manipuri is the popular dance, the folk dance of Manipur. So what is the folk dance? So Manipuri is the popular dance of Manipur, and the tourist attraction place is the Imphal and the Ukhrul. Imphal and the Ukhrul, these tourist attract place, they attract the many tourists. Means the Imphal is the capital of the Manipur, and these Imphal and the Ukhrul, these are the tourist attraction place of Manipur. So what is the specialty of the Manipur is they are famous for the lychees, chestnut, walnut and the papaya, and people made the products of, they use bamboo can and leather for making products. And third one, the Manipuri dance is most popular in the Manipur, and which is the tourist attraction place, that is the Imphal and the Ukhrul. Now what we have learned in this video, we have learned about the Purvachal Hill Ranges, and Purvachal Hill Ranges, it lies in the northeast part of India. So it lies in the northeast part, so that is called the northeastern hills. We also call the northeastern hills. हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Northeastern hills. And few states that are in this region, that is the Nagaland, okay, the Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura are some states that are found in this Purvachal Hill ranges. And life in the region, people, they do farming. Farming is the main occupation of people that living here. But apart from farming, people can do weaving also and wood carving also. Now what is the occupation? Occupation is what? Farming, weaving and wood carving. So the first state that lies in that is the Arunachal Pradesh. And what do you know about the Arunachal Pradesh? Arunachal Pradesh is famous for what? It's famous for the fruit orchard and orchids. Orchids are type of flower. And the what products? The people make products of bamboo and cane products. Okay, and the famous tourist attraction place of that is the Zairo and Itanagar and the sea. This is the Phang. Phang is famous tourist attraction place because it is popular because it has the largest monastery in India. Monastery means where the Buddhist monks were live. So largest monastery in India is the Phang. Now what we have learned about the Nagaland. Nagaland, in what we learn about Nagaland, the people of which tribe belonging to it, Nagaland, that is the Nagas, and they wear the different types of shawls and different design. So you have learned about the Nagaland, and the last one is the Manipur. Manipur is famous for the lychees, chestnut, walnut and the papaya, and they make, the people of Manipur, they make the products of bamboo, cane and leather. And the dance that is most popular in Manipur, that is the Manipuri dance. Manipuri dance is the folk dance of Manipur. And what is the tourist attraction place of the Manipur? The tourist attraction place of the Manipur, that is the Imphal and the Ukhrul. It attracts most tourists. Clear, children? So you understand the chapter well. We will meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye.